In Microsoft Word, after inserting the photo, if you want to move the photo, you can't be able to do the work. You may keep it center or you may keep it right, but if you want to move it around your Word document, it is not actually possible. So what I have to do actually? To be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. Let me delete this image. Go to insert, go to picture. Let me insert a picture from my computer. Here I have a picture. If I want to resize it, hold down the shift key and reduce the size. Now if I want to move the image, just double click on the image, go to picture format, go to wrap text and click on in front of text. Then you may easily move the image around your Word document. You can find the same option by clicking right button, and here you will see in front of text. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.